Hi! In front of me is LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by going into Settings and clicking on Bluetooth section right away. Now tap on this switcher at the top if it's not already on, and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!